He rides to work each morning in a big long limousine. His mind is always working on his underhanded schemes. He's worth $1 million, but of all the things he owns, he brags about his women and his Victorian country home. He's having bad dreams anytime he's sleeping about who will spend his money when he's gone. I guess he should worry a lot. He stole everything he's got. Now he holds a deed he stole from me to his Victorian country home. He's a crooked so-called lawyer with a silver-plated tongue. He stole Big Joe's woman. That's one thing he shouldn't have done. He believes in legal maneuvers and doing people wrong. Big Joe believes in revenge for the man in the Victorian country home. And he wakes up in the middle of the morning, and an anonymous caller tells him on the phone that he heard a man last night with one case of dynamite. Said that's all it takes to relocate a Victorian country home.